Come into our lovely 3-bedroom villa at Bonnet Creek.
We just checked in at Wyndham Bonnet Creek and we have a 3-bedroom presidential suite. You guys are not ready for this room tour.
Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anyone how good it is, please. Because we've been gatekeeping this resort. We just walked in. We have this gorgeous kitchen, full fridge, island with seats for each one of us. We've got a beautiful dining room table, a huge couch, living room area with a TV. We've got a little entryway here. We have a little table, just like a drop station here. We've got a closet with trash right here. We've got tons of space in the kitchen, a full pantry, all of this cabinet space here, full stove, double toaster, oven, microwave, full fridge with an ice maker. This is just unbelievable. You've got your sink, your dishwasher, all that kind of stuff over here. Let's take you into the bedroom over here. So this is bedroom number 1. So this is the king size bedroom. We've got TV, dresser right here, a little chair and a lamp. You've got 2 nightstands and a king size bed. Oh my God, that bathroom is insane. I can't wait to show you that in a second. Look at this view. We're in building 6. I don't know if we'll have a firework view, but I do see Disney Springs over in the distance over there. So we'll see. I think Epcot's on the other side facing the pool. So that kind of sucks that we didn't get that view, but we got the parking lot view, so we can see the car from here. The view is honestly not bad. Yeah, we could see Disney Springs. We got a view of that. Here's the view from the other side of the room. There's me. Hello. Okay, so we have a full closet with a safe in the bathroom. This beautiful jetted tub. I think it's jetted. Yep, definitely jetted. Huge. Double vanity right here. We've got pretty big shower. You've got all of your things here, your soaps, all of the things, all your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all that kind of stuff. You've got little toilet area in here. All right, we're gonna walk back through the main area. Pardon all of our stuff that we just wheeled in here. All right, big full-size washer and dryer right in the middle here, which is super convenient if you need to wash your clothes. We've got double beds in here, queen-size beds. Same deal, we've got a dresser, TV, and another gorgeous view. This is the best view though. On the nightstand, you have a little clock with a little charging station. That's pretty neat. A closet, full closet here. You can hang up your stuff, hide your suitcase, whatever you need to do. And then we've also got a 3rd bedroom right here. Another king size bed. Amazing. That's this one. You get another full-size closet here to hang your clothes. You have a weirdo window right here. Can't really see out this one. This one's frosted glass, but it's there. And then we have one more bathroom here. So you have a big vanity here. And then we have a full tub here, tub, and another vanity right here. So this is unbelievable. This is by far the best room I think we've ever had. The only thing that would make this better would be a firework view, but we'll see if we can see anything tonight. Oh, there's the hot air balloon out there at Disney Springs, so you can see. All right, we're walking out on the balcony here. We have a beautiful view of Disney Springs out here. You can see Icon Park all the way over there. You can see the Ferris wheel. Wow. Oh, and then we've got Epcot right here.
Yeah.
Check it out.
See fireworks
Oh my gosh. Well, we're gonna be watching the fireworks from Epcot. We can see the Epcot ball right there. I do kind of wish we were on the other side, but that's okay. We have a pretty good view. I'm not mad at this at all. But we have this gorgeous balcony. We can sit out here and drink our coffee in the morning if we want to, and just people watch. What a gorgeous, gorgeous room. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls do stay at Bonnet Creek. The best part is your little ones have room to run around, right? It's a little bit of an upgrade from our resort this morning, huh?
And believe me, we didn't suffer at the Embassy Suites. That was nice for what it was,
But this is like,
no 3-bedroom presidential at Bonnet Creek.
we're super happy here. We've got a great deal on this room. We're gonna be parked here for the next 2 nights while we enjoy Disney World, of course. They are gonna have to drag us out of here for sure. We'll do a whole resort tour, so stay tuned for that on our channel as well. But we are just super excited to be here. It's actually on Disney property. It's just not a Disney resort, but it is right next to the Riviera. You're right in the Epcot resort area, so it's super convenient to get everywhere. We rent a car when we come to Disney, so it's really easy to get around. I mean, if we're in Disney, we're 99% of the time we're gonna be here because it's just the best. You can't beat it. The pools are incredible at this resort. You have a Starbucks in the resort on the bottom floor. We're in building 6. A lot of activities at this resort, which we don't usually take advantage of to the fullest for sure. And I love that they do this whole wristband situation. So this is actually your room key. You just wear it. So it's really awesome. But yeah, this is our gorgeous presidential suite. Thanks so much for watching our little room tour. We'll give you a resort tour tomorrow. Can't wait to film that. It's gonna be so much fun.
We're going to stop at each and every pool.
We'll stop at every single pool tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.